In this video, we are going to see how to add products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Let's get started. Here I am on my Shopify store dashboard. Click over the app and on the top search bar, click over CJ Dropshipping. I already installed the CJ Dropshipping app. If you haven't installed it yet, go to the Shopify App Store and install this CJ Dropshipping app. Here I am on the CJ Dropshipping dashboard. You can see the trending product here. First of all, we have to authorize the Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping. Click over Shopify. Here you can see that my store is authorized and the status is active. You can go with Add a Store or create your store from here. Let's add products to the Shopify store. I will choose this product. Click over the list. Here is my store. In the shipping information, you can decide where your product will be ordered and choose the shipping method from here. You can see the product type. Here you can add product collections. Vendor name. Change price that should be higher than CJ's price. You can check product variants and videos. Once you are all done, click over and Listed Now. Product is successfully listed. Let's go back to the Shopify store. And then Products. Here you can see the product is added. You can make changes in titles, descriptions, media files, or any other setting. This is how to add products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.